Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Coinbase Advanced Trade Review My Usage Experience. Coinbase Advanced Trade Review My Usage Experience offers advanced charting tools and order types for experienced cryptocurrency traders on the Coinbase Pro platform. It's aimed at users who want more control and sophisticated trading capabilities beyond the standard Coinbase interface. Key features include in-depth charting, advanced order types like limit, stop limit, and market orders, and detailed trade history tracking. Their website provides details on accessing advanced trade. It positions itself as a powerful tool for seasoned crypto traders seeking precise control over their investments. It boasts ease of use for those familiar with technical analysis, emphasizing pricing transparency, though specific pricing is integrated within Coinbase Pro's overall fee structure. There's no mention of contracts. The platform uses industry-standard charting technology and is accessible to anyone with a Coinbase Pro account. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Coinbase Advanced Trade Review My Usage Experience. Getting started was a breeze. I already had a Coinbase Pro account, so accessing advanced trade was simply a matter of navigating to the correct section on their website. The interface was initially a bit overwhelming with the sheer number of charting options and order types, but after spending a couple of hours familiarizing myself with the layout, I found it quite intuitive. I especially appreciated the ability to customize my charts and add various technical indicators. I regularly used the limit order feature to buy specific cryptocurrencies at my target price, ensuring I didn't overpay. The order execution was consistently fast and reliable. I did have a quick question about a particular charting feature, and their support responded within 24 hours via email. I was really impressed by how customizable the dashboard was. I could easily tailor it to my trading style. The standout feature for me was definitely the depth chart, providing crucial insight into market liquidity. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app. All my trading had to be done from my desktop. It took me a little while to get used to the advanced settings, but the learning curve was worthwhile. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Coinbase Advanced Trade. It provides the tools I need for advanced crypto trading, although a mobile app would be a welcome addition. That's my overview of Coinbase Advanced Trade Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.